Good afternoon, Colin Gainham here from Karen Paul & Associates. I'm here introducing our brand new listing at 1153 Casador Court here in Burlington, Ontario. We have a 2,200 square foot bungalow. Yes, you heard me right, folks, a bungalow. Rarely do these types of properties come up, but I'd love to take you through and show you everything that this property has to offer. As you can see, we're back in the mix doing our virtual houses. We will be hosting a in-person open house this weekend, Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m. You can come here and visit myself and walk through the property and get a true sense of everything it has to offer. So,
and Troy Chalet here too. I just want to throw in beautiful brick finish, nice landscaping, nice concrete driveway.
And what are we on, Troy? A beautiful, quiet court.
Beautiful, quiet court. Take a look.
So Casador Court here, we are situated in the Maple neighborhood of Burlington. We are steps away from Mapleview Mall, downtown, Lake Ontario, and the lifestyle that the proximity to the downtown core offers. You could probably walk down the lake 10 minutes, Troy? 5 to 10 minutes?
Oh yeah, 10-minute walk.
And technical problems. That's all right. And here we go. Without further ado. So as we first come through the home, we are entered by the staircase that leads you up to the bungalow. I'd like to start down here on the main floor and right away into this beautiful study. So right now, this property, or this room is set up as a sitting area. Very easily could be converted into a home office, and give you that extra peace and quiet that you could use. As we continue down, I'm going to take you into the updated kitchen. There you go. Nice white finishes, very on trend. Nice bright kitchen as well. We have the window overlooking the side yard, and as you can see, it has been updated. We have stainless steel appliances. Every drawer, quiet close. So they've certainly thought through everything, and the finishes are certainly here. We're offering this property at $1,179,000. And we are just over 2,200 square feet. And as we continue on, so beautiful formal dining space as well as a formal sitting area with a lovely gas fireplace. If you can see the roof, we have vaulted ceilings and they go the full 2 stories, so you get a real sense of depth and size in this room. Again, natural light. Absolutely stunning. Being a bungalow, for those of you who are unfamiliar with that terminology, it means it's a bungalow with a loft as well. So we do have main floor living on this property. Huge downsizers, seniors, anybody who has any mobility issues, this home is for you. Like I said, properties like this do not come up very often, so take advantage of this. Comment on the videos and we'll get back to you with some additional information, or you can come and see us this Sunday 2 to 4 at our in-person open house. So right as you come in, excellent sized master bedroom. This is a king size bed. Your windows overlooking north into the backyard. And wait till you guys see the size of this ensuite. Let me tell you. So here we have the private ensuite for the master suite. It is a 5-piece that has his and hers toilet soaker tub with jets, as well as a standing shower. Bonus about the standing shower, there's a little bench in there as well. Again, certainly catering to the demographic that this home was built to serve. One addition, I guess renovation I should say, well before I get to that, let me show you the excellent walk-in closet. Again, private ensuite, walk-in closet. What else would you like for a master? So here we have linen closet, powder room on the main floor as well. So we'll conclude the main floor tour with probably the smartest renovation that our sellers did to this property. So bungalow certainly caters to a certain demographic. Now, originally when this home was constructed, the laundry room, there was not a laundry room. Laundry was set to be in the basement. Our clients thoughtfully decided that the stairs up and down were a little bit too much, so they built in a laundry room. They've taken half of a portion of the double car garage, so it's one half of one of the spots for the cars, and turned it into this lovely, lovely laundry room. Doesn't that make sense? Please come upstairs and let me show you the loft portion of this home. So this is a 2-bedroom home. We've seen the first downstairs on the main level with the master. Here is the second room. One thing I want to point out that it's going to be really, well, not really hard, but rather difficult to conceptualize over the video is the size and space that this loft offers. As you can see, currently it's being used as a sitting area, bonus family room if you'd like to call it, but really, as you can see, just the depth perception from the video. Don't mind that phone call, we'll just let that one ring through.
It's so hard not to answer a ringing phone.
Hello, we're doing our open house right now. As you can see, coming in right here, we have another 4-piece bathroom, and this would boast well for anyone who is staying on the loft level. One thing, again, natural light in this house. Troy, if you can have a quick look down there, as well as the oversized windows we have.
Loads of windows. Love the light over the walkout to the backyard. Fan's always nice. Fireplace, cozy room.
Very. So we're going to continue on with our tour, and we're going to show you the finished basement. And again, so much open space. All right, come on down. So it's carpeted throughout. So we enter this room. You can see again, it is another large room. Easily can be converted into a bedroom if you wanted it to be. It could be another formal sitting area. And here we have, it's been turned into a craft room. This would have been the old laundry room. And what have they done? Really, storage and more storage. So here is another large room that's being used as an office. Again, if you needed another bedroom, certainly an option. The size and space down here is fantastic and would let you do whatever you'd like. So I know everybody in this world, especially when we're spending more and more time at our homes, a big major concern, especially with my clients I'm hearing often, is storage. What do we do with all this stuff that we have? Well guys, we have the answer for you. We have half of this basement is unfinished space, and it is, you know, you can fit enough things in here that all your needs would be taken care of.
Fantastic. Just deceptive amount of space here. Tons of storage space.
Goes around a corner, absolutely. Good thing to take note, there is a sump pump down here in this basement. Fantastic for anyone who's been in Burlington for a while, and maybe you did have an issue with the large flood that took place a few years ago. That really started getting people thinking, and sump pumps are certainly, you can't go wrong with them. Let's say that. So as we're going to go, I'm going to take you out to the backyard. I'm just going to let our sellers know that we're going to be going out there and let them move to the front. So bear with me, folks. I'll be right back. Yes, but look at the live feed, so it's a continuous video. So, okay, that's fantastic. Excellent. So we're just going to walk out the front door and go around the side. We'll give you a nice view of the side lot and show you the excellent space that you would have in the backyard. Okay. And major selling features of this home, certainly, main floor living, quiet court, no through traffic whatsoever. The only people using this live here. And let's go take a look at that lovely backyard. Great construction. I know, Troy, you hit it on the right at the beginning, but solid brick construction all the way around. Okay, right this way we find ourselves on a lovely deck. Direct access right from the kitchen, and some beautiful landscaping done here as well. Certainly enough room in this backyard if you wanted to. Get a pool done back here. If you'd like to have a large garden, whether it's veggies, perennials, annuals, whatever you'd like, the space is here. If you have any questions, Facebook world, about anything you've seen here today, or anything at all about this home, you'd like to get some additional information, or even drop a line and let me know that you're planning on coming on Sunday. We'd love to answer any one of your questions, and we're happy to present this listing at 1153 Casador Court here in Burlington. Thanks so much for your time.